basket here so we can collect them together and then we will see what all of these objects. Yes, are you ready? Let's collect them together. Oh, it's yellow. Yeah. Wow. The green. Wow, we have many. There's red. There's something red here. Oh, there's so many, guys. Oh, there's so many. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's falling down. It's falling down again. No, stay here. Okay, let's go. We're gonna be inside. Let's go. Oh, let's see. What is it? It's the helicopter, the police helicopter.
Helicopter. A helicopter has a big rotor on top. It can take off and land vertically and can fly in difficult places like mountains where
Superhero. Is a superhero is the who can tell me what superhero is this?
I'll go find Spidey to help me. Spidey, no!
Don't you ever give up? I'm unstoppable now! That was a close one.
Too close. I thought we agreed to do this together, Spidey. You need to have patience. Slow down and think before you rush in.
Guy, I know it now. It's the Black Panther. Wash. I know it. It's the bear. It's the brown. Brown bear, right? Yeah, it's a brown bear. And next, what is this? Let's see. I know it. This one is the starfish.
Starfish are amazing animals that have captured our imagination for centuries, and we're going to dive deeper into their world to learn more about their unique abilities, behaviors, and characteristics. Whether you're a fan of marine life or just looking to learn something new and interesting,
It's a sea animal. Wow. And next, what is this? Let's see. This is the motorcycle. Yes, the motorcycle. That's nice. think it's a toy. How to play with this toy? Let you clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. That's so funny. Okay, let's continue with the next color. Oh, what is it? What color is this? Who can tell me what color is this? This is color green. Now we wash. We wash. It's the airplane.
Ride on the cloud, soar through the sky and fly to your dreams. Doobie-doobie-doo-bop. Fluffy airport is so.
That's funny. Oh, what is gonna be next? What? Let's see. I know it. This is the Star Wars truck. That's so nice. Okay, let's see. What is it? Guys, look at the water. It's become green now. So cute. It's the duck. Quack, 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 quack. That's so cute. Oh. That's so cute. What's gonna be next? I know it. It's a turtle, right? It's a turtle. It's a kind of the sea animal, right?
Ando yo buscando una chica tranquila que tenga buenos sentimientos, que se presente con hojas de vida para ver si con ella me quedo. La necesito. ¡Sexy lady! Quiero una chica dama que me sepa mal. Quiero todo de tu cuerpo. Quiero todos tus lamentos. Eres la chica que me la...
Okay, let's see what's gonna be next. Oh, I want something here. Oh, hey, it's almost. Who can tell me what is this? I think it's a superhero.
I equipped the suit with all sorts of goodies. Check it out.
A smoke screen. Nice.
Right, for when you need to confuse the baddies. Hey, watch this. Looks like you could use some help cutting through that pipe.
Spidey? Iron Man? Wow, thanks. That'd be great. Cool. Wow. Thanks, Iron Man.
You got it, sir.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Tell me you know it, okay? Oh, we have one more green, right? Here, it's the one more. It's the dolphin. It's the a dolphin. That's so cute. Guys, say hi, dolphin. You look so cute. Yes. And next, now we're going to find something from yellow. Yes, it's color yellow. Yellow. Let's see. Wash. Hi, frog. Rabbit. That's so funny. Okay, let's next. Oh, what is this? Wash. Brown water. Oh, you know what is this? It's binocular. You can see something that far away from you with the binocular, right? Okay. Let's find next one. Oh, what is that? I know it. It's a ski board, right? It's a ski board. Do you like to ride on the ski board? Do you like to play ski board? That's funny. And next one. Wow. I think this one is a superhero too. And say what color? I know this superhero is a Captain America. Is it right? Just kidding. Oh, it's 8. I think it's 8. Hello. It's Jello 8. But guys, I have something inside. Yes, shake. You want to see something? Let's see. Oh, it's the police car. Wow, that's so nice. Wheel. Oh, this is the last one. Let's see. Oh, you know what is this? This is the kind of the dinosaur. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you're gonna be happy and know a lot of things from here. Thank you guys for watching.